at Scots Weekly. I'm Ian.
We have just one more month left of school, so let's finish off strong.
Let's get into some announcements.
First, are you interested in trying out for next year's cheer team? Now's the time to sign up at cheerscots.weebly.com. Applications and physicals are due Friday, May 12th at 4 p.m. If you have any questions, please come by the activities office.
Second, May is Mental Health Awareness Month. Every day for a month of May, we'll be providing a self-care tip. Today's tip is remember that your mind and body are connected. Use your space to assist you with your physical movement. Find a good spot to stretch or exercise.
Third, link career applications are now open. New and current leaders must fill in an application. If you're interested in joining or having more questions, please contact Mr. Valdez in room 14J or email at robert_valdez@kernhigh.org.
Now it's time for a commercial break.
Seniors, if you have not ordered your cap and gown yet, you must contact Johnston's immediately to do so. Graduation is around the corner. If you already ordered cap and gowns, will be available for pickup at Highland during lunch on May 9th. See Mrs. Barbara Smith with any questions.
Hi everyone, Ms. Pedroza here, substance use specialist here at Highland High School. And I'm here to let you know that this Tuesday, May 9th, it is National Fentanyl Awareness Day. And this day is set aside specifically to raise awareness about the dangers of fentanyl. What is fentanyl, you may ask? So fentanyl is both a prescribed drug that is prescribed by doctors to treat severe pain, but it is also made and used illegally here in our communities. So as you can see, I have a board right here, right behind me. As you can see, there's this pencil here, and there is this little powder. This little powder is known as fentanyl, and it takes about this much in order to overdose on fentanyl. Yes, it is prescribed by doctors, but we have to be aware that we cannot be buying this off of the streets. We can't even be buying any type of drugs because other drugs like Xanax, cocaine, marijuana, they can be laced with fentanyl. So just be aware of what is out there. We never know. And if you see something, say something. And if you need any help, you have questions, you want to refer somebody, if you need any type of support when it comes to drugs, alcohol, or any other type of substance, please come see me here at 3G. I'm here available for you guys.
Listen up, seniors.
Let's go with Lucia, who has some information for you.
Hey seniors, here are some events happening this month. May 12th is our senior assembly. May 19th, we have our senior peace out rally/parade. And May 25th is grad night. Remember to talk to your counselors if you have any questions about graduating. Hey Scots, buy your prom tickets this week. $65 with your ASB sticker or $70 without one. Don't forget, they're non-refundable and non-transferable. Promposal competitions open up this week, so feel free to ask me if you'd like.
Thank you, Lucia.
Let's go with Ricky. What's information about the newspaper?
Hey Scots, Highland Newspaper has new articles available to read and view pictures in their website now. Go to www.hhsnews.com. They cover the Springfest rally and have a special interview with Star Counselor Mr. Sweet. Plus, make sure to follow HHS Scots News on Instagram for new updates.
Thank you, Ricky.
That's it for today, Scots.
Remember to plat up!
And have a great day.